Every once in a while, a tool comes along that completely changes the way we've been doing things, and today, that tool might be a tape measure. This is the XTape1. At first glance, this guy may just look like an expensive tape measure, but that's not it at all. It's actually a digital tape measure, a laser distance meter, an angle finder, a layout tool, and it even connects to your phone. I've spent some time using it around the shop, and today I'm going to show you exactly what it does, where it shines, and whether it's actually worth buying. Assembly is pretty easy. You just gotta take off this little plastic protective cover and snap this guy right into place. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna notice is that this guy feels premium. And it better because it costs $299. It's larger than your average tape measure, but that's because there's a lot going on inside of it. One of the coolest features about it is that it's modular. Ta-da! The tape measure and laser module can separate from each other. Instead of replacing the entire tool if something wears out, you can actually replace individual modules, which is awesome because you're spending a lot of money, so you want to make sure that you can make it last. And as you know, the tape measure blade is one of the first things to wear out, so if you can replace it and keep your investment, that's awesome. One of the good things about the modular design is that if you have to take it off and charge it, you still got a whole tape measure that you can use. It doesn't become a useless paperweight when you plug it in. It's a 12-foot tape with an electronic encoder that displays your measurement on the screen as you pull it out. The display gives you a digital readout that's rated at 1/32nd inch accuracy, which is actually more precise than standard tape measures. That means no more squinting at the tiny little marks and no more guessing between sixteenths. One feature that I really like is the ability to zero the tape anywhere and everywhere. So let's say you're measuring from an existing cabinet edge. Instead of the end hook, you can reset the measurement right there and keep going. That's incredibly useful for cabinetry, trim work, and custom furniture. And as you can see, you can digitally switch from metric to imperial. All right, so one thing this guy has that other tape measures don't is a laser distance meter. This is where things get interesting. Built into the XTape1 is a 330-foot laser distance meter. Instead of pulling out a tape measure across an entire room, you simply point the laser, press a button, and instantly get the measurement. Not that this is a selling point, but our dog loves it too. I built this cabinet specifically for this tight space right here. And because I have this tape measure, I don't have to go point to point with a standard tape measure and try my best to account for all of the eighths. I can take the XTape1, go wall to wall with it, and use the red dot to get the most accurate calculated measurement possible. With the continuous measuring mode, you don't even need to pull a tape measure out. The laser is accurate to about 1/16th of an inch, making it great for room dimensions, flooring estimates, drywall framing, cabinet layouts. So standard tape measures have nothing on this guy. If you've ever tried measuring a 25-foot room by yourself, you already know how valuable that is. One feature I wasn't even expecting to like as much as I do is the green alignment laser. Instead of just measuring, it projects a visible alignment line that helps you position the tool accurately before taking measurement. A lot of people are gonna say, man, that's an expensive price tag for just a tape measure, but that's not really all that it is. It's literally a laser level. If you know you got a stud right here in the wall and you want to hang your cabinets, all you gotta do is line up your laser and look at the coverage for that, all the way up to the ceiling. And if you needed to go higher or be hands-free with it, you can mount it to a tripod. What's great about having it on a tripod, you can actually still accurately level it out. Now that we've got it zeroed, let's check and see how great this coat rack is hung. I think I eyeballed this, but that is pretty close. I appreciate that the Mileseey XTape1 validates my work. Let's talk about all of the smart measuring modes you can get with the XTape1. We're gonna blast through these because there are so many. If I took all of the time that was needed to talk about them, we'd be here for an hour. You've got area mode. You can measure the length, the width, and it automatically calculates square footage. We're gonna quickly find the area of this empty room, put this guy up to the wall. All you have to do is get your first measurement, and then switch walls, get your second measurement, bang. Volume mode. Need to calculate cubic footage? It does that too. If you don't remember math class, that is length times width times height. So all you have to do is measure left, right, and up. Stakeout mode. Let's say you're installing fence posts every 8 feet. Instead of constantly doing math, the tape will tell you exactly where intervals land, which is a huge time saver. Point-to-point mode, which is probably one of the coolest features. You can measure between 2 points without physically walking the tape there. So now that I used the red dot to measure from that wall to here, and that wall to here, it'll tell me the exact length of the hypotenuse. Indirect height measurement. Need to know the height of a wall or ceiling without climbing a ladder. Hit that red laser light at the bottom of the wall and the top, and it'll tell you the exact length of the actual wall. Pretty impressive technology packed into just a tape measure. It also has a built-in gyro sensor. That means it continuously displays your angle while you're measuring. And it has a dedicated angle screen where you can tilt your tape left to right and find angles. Instead of carrying a separate angle finder, it's already built in. This thing also connects to your phone via Bluetooth, which can help you save measurements, organize projects, transfer dimensions, and avoid writing everything on scrap pieces of wood, which is actually what I do on a daily basis. You see there's a little memory button on the side there. You click that, and then you can go all through all of the measurements that you've done. You see it says 4 of 30. The device holds 30 measurements. You want to go take one real quick. Immediately, it'll upload to the app, and you can hold many more than 30. When it comes to the build quality of this guy, it's designed for the job site. It definitely feels like a professional tool rather than a gimmick. Its features include a USB-C rechargeable battery, up to roughly 7 hours of runtime. It's drop resistant around 5 feet. It's dust and water resistant, and it's a class 2 laser system. All right, so let's talk about what application looks like for me as a woodworker and as a professional cabinet maker. When it comes to being a woodworker, having a tool that can do everything you can possibly need all at one time is great, because I don't want to have to lug all of the tools out all of the time. All right, so we got the angle gauge there. I'm gonna attempt to make this shoe holder. I want it to be about right there. The tape says it's 20, 21. I'm gonna go with 20 just to be exact. That's the angle we're gonna use. That's the angle we're gonna cut into the legs. After cutting those legs and securing them to the top shelf, I measured the placement for the middle and bottom shelves with the X-Tape1, secured that, and it was done. This tape measure definitely tackles all the standard jobs you would have for it as a woodworker. When it comes to being a cabinet maker, having a tool that I can get basic measurements from is great, but having a tool that I can do design work with, where I can fit custom cabinetry into custom homes for people who are paying top dollar, is awesome. So being able to utilize this laser to measure wall to wall, floor to ceiling, being able to properly hang the cabinets with the green laser line is exactly what I need. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about the X-Tape1, leave them in the comment section down below. One takeaway I want you to get from this video is that this guy is not just a tape measure, so please don't fill my comment section up with $299 for a tape measure. Yeah, right. With that being said, it is obviously up to you if this guy is worth the money or not, and so I want to know about that as well. What do you think? Leave your opinions in the comment section down below, and let's talk about it.